Hi Lizzie, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question tonight. We're simplifying this fraction with the radicals. But the first thing we want to do is make a factor tree of 1344. And what we get is, we're going to divide it by 2 because it's an even number. And that's a 672. And then we're going to divide it by 2 again. And that's going to be 3, 3, 6, and 2. Divided by 2 again. And it's 2. And this is the simplest way to do a factor tree is with 2's if they're even numbers. This is 1, 6, 8. Divided by 2 again is 2 and 84. And then you can divide it by 2 again is 2 and 42. And then one more time is 2 and 21. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2 that we can bring out. And then 1, 2, 3 is another 2. So it's going to be 2 times 2 outside of this radical, which is 4 is outside the radical. And what's left is 21. So that's what's simplified on our numerator. In the bottom we can't simplify, but we also can't have a radical on the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to multiply the top and bottom by the cubed root of 3. Or actually the cubed root of 9. Alright? So what we get is the bottom is going to be 3 because the cubed root of 3 times 9 is 27 is going to be 3. The top is going to be 4 root 21 times 9. That's the cubed root. So 21. And then what we're going to do is we can actually simplify this down one more. 9 is 3 times 3 and 21 is 3 times 7. So on the inside of this we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 7. And it's a cubed root, so we can bring out those 3. So we have 4 times 3 times the cubed root of 7 on top now. And 3 is on the bottom. So now we can cancel out these 3's, and our final answer is going to be 4 cubed root of 7. And that's the answer, totally simplified down. Alright, Lizzie, thank you for sending in your question tonight, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.